Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I want to share with you a course that you can get access to for completely free that will teach you affiliate marketing. Okay, so I've recently been going through this course myself, and it's basically a 8-step module. Okay, so basically what you'll basically be getting is success mindset, how to set goals for yourself, because if you can set goals correctly, then it's much easier to reach a certain point. Like, for example, if you never had any goals and your only goal was to make money online or be successful with affiliate marketing, that's really general, so you have no actual target of what you want. So it's like you're just all over the place. But if you have a target, then you know what action steps you need to take in order to get there. Okay. So anyway, that's it. Covers. I think in the second step it covers success mindset. The third step is affiliate marketing. So that's basically So the affiliate marketing will cover important fundamentals, most profitable niches, find affiliate products to promote, pick your one product, your unfair advantage. So that's basically what you will learn about affiliate marketing. There's in step 4 that you'll basically be learning lead generation. Okay, so I haven't really gone through that yet myself, but let me just, I don't know why this is not allowing me to scroll down, but okay, so lead generation is the super affiliate formula, and quality lead magnet. I'm not sure what these two are, but lead generation basically teaches you how to generate leads for your business. Okay, so it's a lead generation system that you will be able to apply to build your list and to ultimately, make money, because that's the best way to make money, guys, is building a list. Because if you build a list, you can literally just send like 1 or 2 emails out and you're making money. Okay, so sometimes it takes time for you to build that the rapport with your list or whatever, but literally the money is in the list. Okay, and that's how you're gonna make most of your money, really. I mean, that's the easiest way online to make money, is through a list or through having like a subscriber base online. So you've got, like, whether it's you've built your YouTube or you built your social media, that's another way that you can make money quite quickly. A full-time income, actually. A lot of people are making a full-time income just with YouTube alone. So yeah. So step 5 is authority platform, the importance of a blog. Okay, so they talk about the importance of a blog, which is very, very interesting, actually. Building out your site, customize your blog. Oh no, I think I've just clicked on it. It's going to pull it up now. Sorry, that was an accident. Now it's going to pull up the video. I'm going to have to... Let me just give me a second, guys. I need to pause this. So there's also, they talk about articles. They talk about articles and writing. Like how to utilize article writing and writing to promote your stuff. Let me see what else they cover. So they also cover YouTube as well, which is really cool. YouTube marketing. Okay. Now, guys, you're getting this all for free. This is not paid. They do have a paid version, but this course itself, I mean, if you're a newbie and you're just getting started online, this is an excellent course to learn from. Literally, this information is completely for free. So you're not paying anything towards this unless you want to upgrade. Now, the upgrade is even better, because apparently you get like 50 plus multiple ways of promoting different income streams. You get live, I think, support, and there's other things that you get with this platform if you upgrade. It's a one-time lifetime payment or something like that. And yeah, basically, I'm not really too sure what you get in the upgraded version, but he does mention what you get in the upgraded version, and you know what's the difference between the basic and the upgraded version. They also discuss discuss YouTube marketing. They discuss forum marketing and also targeted solo ads. That is another very good way to generate traffic. You know, if you don't know what solo ad marketing is, that's basically using other people's list or leveraging other people's list to build your list and to make money, to make sales. Okay, now ultimately when you are driving traffic to from a solo ad, you don't want to be straight away promoting to them. You want to get them into your list. That's the whole point in doing solo ads, is to mainly build your list. Okay, because you know you don't want someone buying from you but then you know you're not building any list, because all of those potential customers are going to be lost. Okay, because most people don't buy straight away. It takes time for someone to actually get those purchases coming in. Okay, it takes time and you have to keep building. So yeah, when you're driving traffic to with solo ads, you definitely don't want to be sending them directly to your offer. You want to be sending them to your capture page where they sign up as a lead. So anyway guys, check this out. It's called My Online Startup. You can click the link in the description below this video and you can basically sign up for free. Check the course out. It is such an amazing, I think personally, I mean, for a free course, it's a no-brainer. You know, you're going to learn a lot from it. You know, YouTube marketing, the power of YouTube, setting up your channel, must-have resources. So it's, you know, this is perfect for someone who's just getting started as an affiliate, as a affiliate marketer. And it can teach you a lot of valuable information and content. Okay, so get signed up for free, and I'll probably do more videos on this. You know, I'll do more videos on this, and I still haven't, there's a lot of videos that I still haven't watched from this yet that I still have to check out and see for myself, and you know, also see how others are doing with this as well. But apparently people are making money with this. You know, it's a no-brainer. And I mean, this system is not just an online course, it's also a way to make money. So they have a they have a way to make money in this system. So when you sign up for free, not only do you learn all of this stuff, you can also make money with the course itself. Okay, so that's basically what they teach in a nutshell with this. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to get signed up to this course for free, just click the link in the description below this video and it will take you there. Okay, have an awesome day and I'll see you guys.